Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to hide done items in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or if you don't have one, you can always go and register to monday.com. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home screen, my work, and your actual workspace. Also in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and hide done items in monday.com. So first of all, what you actually need to go and do in order to hide the completed tasks, you can apply an autofiller. So basically, in order to do that, to apply an actual autofiller, follow these steps that I'll be telling you now. First of all, go to the project menu and click on the autofiller option. Then click on the autofiller arrow next to the percentage, complete column heading, and uncheck 100% value. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.